The Comfier neck and back massager chair pad is packed with a number of massage and kneading options to target your neck, shoulders, back, waist, and thighs. It combines shiatsu, kneading, rolling, compression, vibration, and heat functions. The chair pad is made of leather and comes in dark gray. To operate it, there is an adapter and remote that allows you to power the chair pad on or off as well as control the functions of the massager. In the neck, shoulder, and back areas, there are 4 adjustable shiatsu massaging nodes that can rotate in 2 directions, either clockwise or counterclockwise. There is also a rolling massage setting that slides along the spine and up and down the back. You can also set the nodes for targeted spot massages in specific body areas. There is also an adjustable compression that allows for 3 different intensity levels on the waist and hip areas. The chair pad is also equipped with heat settings for the back. To clean the chair pad, you can remove the detachable cover and wash it. The chair pad is portable and can be strapped to your armchair, Parsons chair, couch, sofa, or recliner. We use this massager chair pad while working remotely from home, but it can also be enjoyed while watching TV, reading, or resting.